When adults and children have downloaded adequate empathy, meaning that their mirror neurons have recognized that in the eyes of others, in the facial expression, the body language, the voice tone of others, that they are acceptable in any state and understandable and relatable. In my book, I like to say valuable, viable, unique, and irreplaceable. We all know what valuable means. Viable means there's a place for me and how I do things in this world. Valuable, viable, unique, and no one is quite like me, okay, or you. That's the uniqueness about us. Valuable, viable, unique, and irreplaceable. No one can replace you. No one can replace me. And for a person to receive this, they will have what we call love bonds, maps in their front brain. There's a fancy word for the area. It's called orbitofrontal cortex. And that is the part of the brain that is recording associations that integrate the whole brain, help the whole brain work together. When we have love bonds of secure attachment, we're able to use all the facets of our intelligence, our unique identity, in ways that can collaborate, cooperate, and self-regulate. Without love bonds of secure attachment, we have what's called fear bonds of insecure attachment. That is a very scary way to live. Instead of being able to collaborate and cooperate, we end up isolating, manipulating, aggressing, addicting. The greatest stimulus is love. The greatest stimulus is empathy and identification. And if somebody can give me that empathy and identification, then I have the stimulus I need to feel satisfied, secure. If I don't have that, my stress response system, my nervous system will require that I get stimulus. So if your child seems to be addicted to television or technology, their computer, their phone, or food, or something dangerous like shoplifting or stealing or lying, or drugs of some sort, please understand empathically that your child is required by their nervous system to find a stimulus that helps them feel connected to a sense of calm or fun. There's a difference between fun and joy. The joy of feeling connected and secure with another person in secure attachment means that someone is with me. I'm not alone. And that I'm adequately enjoyed. But if I'm having fun, but I'm not securely in belonging with another person, then that stimulus is distracting me from my need to feel that I belong. It's not meeting my need. It's distracting me from it. That's really the definition of an addiction. It is distracting me from a need, not meeting it. So if your child is having some behaviors that are worrying you, or if your child is having some sort of problems with addiction, what they need from you is to feel their emotions, identify with them. It is in this space right here that they feel you're with them, and that neurochemicals go from their brain stem to the part of their brain that says someone's with me.